Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on KCS. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, KCS has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising brown channel. When we are overall bullish, we're waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch the next impulse movement upward. However, even though we are overall bullish, we don't buy blindly. We always wait for two things. The first one is a key rejection area, and as you can see, this area is a strong support as it was acting as a resistance previously, then price broke it upward, so it's now acting as a support area. Moreover, we have the lower brown trend line acting as a non-horizontal support, rejecting the price multiple times. So as price retests this area, which is the intersection of the horizontal support and non-horizontal support, we'll be looking for buy setups. If you zoom into daily time frame, and as per my last picture analysis, we know that KCS broke above this falling trend line in blue, and it's now forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. We already have our right shoulder, head, and left shoulder is currently forming, so we'll be waiting for the right shoulder to form and then a break above the neckline, which is covering the entire structure, entire inverse head and shoulders, to confirm to us that the buyers are finally taking over. That's why we have our trigger here. Meanwhile, and until the bulls take over by breaking above the neckline, the bears can still kick in and trade lower and lower, in this case as price approaches the lower support area as mentioned from weekly time frame, which is this green area. We'll be looking for buy stops on lower time frames, of course, around a better rate. So these are the two possible scenarios. This or meanwhile we are bearish and we'll be looking for buy around this area. Before we continue, I want to tell you about QCoin. QCoin is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 600 billion traded volume on the platform and 8 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Moreover, QCoin has been rated the best crypto exchange by Forbes Advisor, and according to Coinmarketcap, QCoin is a top 3 in terms of overall performance. Kucoin offers a wide range of services and features. Of course, you first got spot trading and margin trading, but with more than 540 listed coins and 960 trading pairs. You also got trading bot, staking, mining pool, and many more. And I'll make sure to make a detailed video about each and every feature. For now, if you don't have an account yet, I'll make sure to include the links in the description below, and let's continue. As we clearly see, XTZ has been overall bullish for a while, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising broadening wedge in blue. And when we are overall bullish, we'll be waiting for the correction to be about to end to catch the next impulse movement upward. However, even if we are overall bullish, we don't buy blindly. We always look for two things. The first one is a key rejection area. In our case, it's this lower blue trend line acting as a non-horizontal support, rejecting the price multiple times. So as price approaches it, we'll be looking for buy setups. And I insist on the word looking because we always zoom into lower time frames and wait for the bulls to take over again. Because clearly the bears are in full control, making lower highs and lower lows, and the bulls couldn't break above the previous high. Instead, the bears keep pushing lower with a bigger impulse movement and forming a new high. For now, this is our last swing high, and for the bulls to take over, we need to see a break above it. This would be, and as usual for those who know me, I highlight it as our trigger. Meanwhile, until the bulls kick in by breaking above the high, the bears would remain in control and then a movement lower for a lower low would be expected. Then we'll be waiting for a new swing high to form around the upper red trend line, which is engulfing the overall movement downward. Then and only then it would become our new trigger swing. So for now, these are the two possible scenarios. Meanwhile, until the bulls take over, XTZ would be overall bearish and can still trade lower and lower and dive inside the support area. That's it for XTZ. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.